state of Pennsylvania, more than 200 people are sitting on death row, but since 1995, only 3 have actually been put to death here. Newswatch 16's Peggy Lee spoke to one legal expert on both this trial as well as the death penalty in general. She joins us live from the courthouse in Scranton with that. Peggy.
Well, Scott, former Luzerne County judge and current criminal attorney Peter Olszewski has prosecuted, defended, and presided over death penalty cases during his career. He says the decision the jury in Lackawanna County now has to make may be the toughest one of their lives. The next time Wanda Lee Perez-Hood faces a jury, it will be a matter of life or death. Jurors will have to decide whether the 33-year-old should face the death penalty for the murder of her 3-year-old stepson.
The issue for the jury will be to decide how bad a first-degree murder case this is.
Former Luzerne County judge and current attorney Peter Olszewski is no stranger to death penalty trials. While serving as a judge, he oversaw 5 death penalty cases. Years earlier, as a defense attorney, he avoided a death sentence for a client in Lackawanna County. And while serving as the Luzerne County district attorney, he won a death penalty conviction for child killer Michael Bardo in 1993.
When I went to a jury and asked a jury to sentence a particular defendant to death, I said it was the hardest thing I would ever have done in my lifetime.
During Perez-Hood's death penalty phase, Olszewski says her attorneys will try to convince the jury she deserves life in prison.
The issue for the defense will be to show what good things this person has done in her lifetime.
According to the State Department of Corrections, only 3 people have been executed in Pennsylvania since 1995. Olszewski says many death penalty cases are tied up for years in appeals. Those cases include the one of George Banks, who was sentenced to death in 1985 in Luzerne County. 3 times since then, he has been found incompetent to be executed.
If Pennsylvania wants to have a death penalty, then there should be executions. If Pennsylvania does not want to execute inmates, then we should not have a death penalty.
And once again, the death penalty phase for Perez-Hood will begin tomorrow morning here at the Lackawanna County Courthouse. The judge has made plans for that jury in case deliberations go into the weekend. Peggy Lee, Newswatch 16, reporting live from the courthouse in Scranton.
Peggy, thank you very much.